This short video clip offers an introduction to the Altro hidden transition strip. This trim makes the transition between coved Altro vinyl flooring and the Altro Whiterock wall sheet very easy to create. It also means the transition generated will allow the flooring to be uplifted and replaced at the end of its life, or if the flooring gets damaged, all without the need to remove the Altro Whiterock sheet from the wall. This is the trim. It's designed to fit behind the base of the Altro Whiterock wall sheet to give a consistent void from the wall substrate. This creates a gap at the bottom of the sheet which is large enough to allow any Altro vinyl flooring product to be easily inserted or removed if the floor needs to be replaced for any reason. There are two methods of installation, one that allows the floor to be installed first, the other that allows the wall to be installed first. This video covers the process of installing the Altro walling system before the coved vinyl flooring. Mark a datum line on the wall for installing the Altro Whiterock wall sheets, and then, from this datum line, measure and mark on the wall where the top of the coved vinyl flooring needs to finish. This needs to be at the right height to allow the Altro Whiterock wall sheet to overlap the flooring to the specified finishing point. That's 50 mm for wet rooms and showers when using products such as Altro Aquarius, and 20 mm for all other areas. Using a string line or laser level, mark a line around the base of the room where the top of the hidden transition strip needs to be positioned and fix it in place using either mechanical fixings or Altro AP600 adhesive. Once the trim is secure, install the Altro Whiterock sheets in the usual way, following Altro specifications for the Altro walling material to be used. Make sure that the adhesive on the back of the sheet does not go below the transition strip, as this area needs to be left clear so the flooring can be pushed up behind the Altro wall sheet. The installation is now ready for the flooring to be fitted. This is done in the usual way, following Altro specifications for the type of vinyl flooring to be used. The coved section of the flooring is pushed up into the void created by the transition strip behind the bottom of the Altro wall sheet. Once the flooring is in place, the join between the bottom of the sheets where they overlap the flooring should be sealed with translucent Altro silicone sealant. This installation solution now means that, if at some point in the future the flooring needs to be replaced, it's a simple procedure to run a flat blade under the base edge of the Altro Whiterock wall sheet so the silicone seal between the floor and the wall is broken. The flooring can then be removed. The new floor can then be installed and the coved edge pushed up into the gap created by the hidden transition strip. Full and more detailed instructions for this procedure can be found on the Altro website, along with many other handy hints to help you make the most of the Altro flooring and walling solution. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us either at inquiries@altro.com or call the number shown on screen now. I hope you found this interesting and informative, and thanks for watching.